Instagram Reels have been a hit ever since they arrived, so it only makes sense that everyone wants to make the most of them. An important component of Instagram Reels are the sounds you use. And I'm about to tell you how you can find these trending sounds to use in your Instagram Reels. The most obvious place to look for trending sounds is number 1, the Explore page. Instagram shows you what it thinks you want to see based on your previous in-app activity. So when you scroll through the Explore page and see Reels with the same audio being used over and over again, it's a trending sound. Not only that, you can also use the Explore page to actually search for relevant keywords and hashtags related to your niche to see what sounds people are using to create their Reels. Which brings us to number 2, search hashtags. In case you're not sure if a popular song fits your niche or not, use hashtags. While most trends can be applied across all niches, you may come across a certain sound that, for example, is mostly seen with, say, travel content but never with food content, simply because it doesn't fit or resonate with it. In that case, open the Explore page and enter a hashtag that's related to what you're interested in. For example, hashtag healthy food. Now, go to the Reels tab. Here, you'll find several Reels. It's a great way to find audio that is mainly used by other accounts with similar content to yours. Scroll through the Reels, see which sounds are trending, and use them. You can save the audio to use later, or you can use the audio right away if you're ready. Easy peasy. Number 3, look at your competitors or favorite creators. Your competitors can really give you an idea for what kind of sounds to use in your own Instagram Reels. Being the same niche, content and all, creators or businesses that have a large fan following can be a great place to identify trending sounds. To find your competitors, look for topics that you know your ideal customers or clients will be interested in. For example, if you're an expert in makeup or fashion, you can search for terms like outfit inspiration or makeup transitions. You can also check out your favorite creators and see what kind of content they're creating. Then, if possible, convert the sounds they use into content related to your own niche. It's a perfect way to be a part of the trend and at the same time shape it according to your brand. Brilliant. Brilliant! Number 4, use TikTok. When it comes to audio trends, TikTok generally leads the way. These trends usually show up on Instagram within a few days. So one way to get ahead of the game is to do a TikTok trending sounds search. Check the For You page on TikTok and spot repeating sounds being used. If you see a repeating sound, it's probably trending. You can always select a sound and check out how many times it's been used to get a better idea of how it's performing and exactly what people are creating using those trending sounds. If you want to learn how to find trending sounds on TikTok, you know where to go. Number 5, visit the weekly Instagram trend report. Instagram releases a report with trending sounds every week. Each report contains a summary of last week's current content, such as filters, sounds, music, hashtags, and challenges. You can go over to Instagram's own account or the creator's account. You'll find a lot of useful things to incorporate in your mix. Lastly, number 6, take help from Reels accounts. These are accounts that are actually dedicated to helping you figure out what sounds are trending, how to use those sounds in a reel, and give you template usage tutorials. Accounts like these really save our time, don't they? All you have to do is follow these accounts to see what they're up to and recreate similar content. The best part is that Instagram lets you copy templates, so you don't even have to do that on your own. Simply go to a reel with the trending sound you like and click the Use Template button. Then just add your media into the set time slots and you'll have a reel ready in no time. You can follow pages like Reels.tutorials and Reels tips for the best ideas for your campaigns. Alright, we hope that was helpful. If you have any tips of your own, write them down in the comments below. We would love to see what works for you. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more relevant content. See you in the next video.